Hi, this is Linda. Hope you're having a great day. I know I am. Playing with my scraps makes any day great for me. This is my take on the Just Because book. I call mine the Just Because with a Purpose because I made it just because, but my purpose is that it has a message. And you probably, like me, have friends and acquaintances that are going through tough times. And don't we all? Nobody gets through life without tough times. And so a little encouragement, and that's what this Just Because book is about. Um, the purpose part comes in that inside this book, I have little pockets. This is a pocket. The little heart is a pocket. Little pocket here, little pocket here, a slip through here, another pocket back here. And let's see, I think I felt a pin in there. Oh, I did. I have to get that out of there. What this means is that I'm going to slip inside of these little pockets some reminders. I'm going to print them on labels sheets so that the person receiving it can either leave them in the little book, or if they want to take one out and put it on a planner, on a notebook, anywhere they want to, it'll be in sticker form. They can peel it and use it. They can leave it in or use it here. And I'm going to put these in the description so in case you want to use them, you can. Because this Just Because book, like I said, has a purpose to remind those that they can endure, they can get through, they can work through any problem. Some of the sayings are, just because it's difficult doesn't mean it's impossible. Just because the path isn't clear doesn't mean you can't find your way. Just because you've made mistakes doesn't mean you can't learn from them. Just because you're facing challenges doesn't mean you can't overcome them. Just because you've hit a wall doesn't mean you can't find a way around. So I think you get the idea that every one of these starts with just because. And it reminds us of the different types of problems we face, but there's always a solution if we will persevere and endure and work our way through them. So I'll type these into the description so that you can use them if you want to. Mine's printed on a full label sheet where I can just cut them out and tuck them in the book, okay? And then when I give this to the person who's going to receive it, they will have all the little reminders in the book. I love the little book. It's this front piece says you've got this. It's got happy things in here, colorful things, a heart, flowers, just scrappy, scrappy, scrappy. Just different fabrics together. And the back says, a friend is worth 1,000 stitches. And isn't that the truth? Our friends are very much worth 1,000 stitches. And then a leaf shape that I embellished on the back. Okay? Just because with a purpose. I hope you'll make one too. If you do, let me know. Have a scrappy day and be happy.